We just purchased our very first airplane, and we couldn't be happier about that decision. We decided to break her in by flying her up to Hot Springs, Arkansas for a quick trip to visit Leslie's sister. Having the ability to make this trip in 2 hours really opens up our options to come visit friends and family much more often, and that is something we really want to do a lot more. Hot Springs has some amazing views, especially at sunset, and wow, did Mother Nature put on a show for our departure. As we arrived back into the DFW area, we were greeted with a fireworks display and plenty of airline traffic in and around the Bravo airspace. We can't wait to bring you more adventures with this new addition to the Wandel Family Adventures channel. Please like and subscribe to help our channel grow and to get notified when new videos get uploaded. Until next time, chase adventures.